Welcome to a journey into American numismatic history, where we uncover the story of one of the most iconic coins in United States coinage, the 1951 Liberty Wheat penny, more accurately referred to as the 1951 Lincoln Wheat cent. This humble 1-cent coin has circulated through the hands of millions of Americans and tells a deeper story of post-war America, economic stability, and historical significance. The 1951 Lincoln Wheat cent belongs to a series of pennies that were first minted in 1909 to commemorate the 100th birthday of President Abraham Lincoln. It was the first U.S. coin to feature a real historical figure, replacing the Indian head cent that had been in circulation since 1859. The designer of the Lincoln Wheat cent was Victor David Brenner, whose initials, VDB, are found on some early 1909 cents, and again reappeared on the reverse base of Lincoln's shoulder starting in 1918. The reverse side, featuring 2 stalks of wheat, symbolized national prosperity and agricultural strength, perfect imagery for a nation rebuilding after World War II and entering the prosperous 1950s. By 1951, America was experiencing significant post-WWII economic growth. Although the Korean War, 1950-1953, was underway, the U.S. economy remained strong, and coin production remained high to meet demand. The 1951 Lincoln Wheat penny was struck at 3 U.S. mint facilities: Philadelphia Mint, No Mint Mark, 1951, Denver Mint, D Mint Mark, 1951D, San Francisco Mint, S Mint Mark, 1951S. Let's break down their mintage numbers. 1951. Philadelphia, 284,576,000 coins, 1951 D. Denver, 625,355,000 coins, 1951 S. San Francisco, 136,010,000 coins. The Denver Mint had the highest output, reflecting the need for coins in the growing American West and Midwest. The San Francisco Mint had the lowest mintage, making the 1951 S slightly more desirable among collectors. In circulated condition, the 1951 penny is common and easily found in change or bulk coin lots. Over time, these coins tend to develop wear on Lincoln's face and jacket, smoothing of the wheat ears on the reverse color changes, from original reddish copper to a darker brown due to oxidation. In this condition, a 1951 penny holds only face value or a few cents more, unless it's in higher grades, very fine or extremely fine, uncirculated 1951. Wheat pennies are much more valuable and are graded from MS-60 to MS-70 by third-party services like PCGS or NGC. Key characteristics include no wear, with all original luster intact, sharp details in Lincoln's profile, and the wheat ears red, RD, red-brown, RB, or brown, BN, designations indicating color and preservation value in uncirculated condition depends on both mint mark and color designation. No mint mark. $1 to 20 plusers in MS condition 1951D, $1 to 15 plus in MS condition 1951S, $150 to 30 plus in MS condition, RD higher premium. Top-tier examples in MS-67 RD can sell for hundreds of dollars, especially if slabbed and graded by PCGS or NGC. The 1951 Lincoln Wheat cent is not considered a rare coin, but it has enduring popularity due to its age, over 70 years old classic design, a part of the beloved Wheat penny series, 1909-1958, completing date sets. Many collectors aim to complete full Lincoln Wheat sets from 1909 to 1958 mint mark varieties. Slight variances, including RPMs, repunched mint marks, can create value spikes in terms of errors. 1951 coins don't have widely known major die varieties, but small errors such as off-center strikes, die cracks, or lamination issues can increase value to collectors. If you own a 1951 wheat penny in uncirculated or higher-end condition, it's best to store in non-PVC flips or acid-free coin holders, avoid moisture and sunlight exposure to preserve color, have it professionally graded if you suspect it's MS-65+, with full red color for new collectors. Building a full Lincoln Wheat set from 1909-1958 is a great way to get into coin collecting. The 1951 issue is easy to find and affordable for beginners. The 1951 Liberty Wheat penny, while not rare, is a coin full of history, representing an era of American prosperity and change. Whether pulled from an old coin jar or displayed in a high-grade collector's album, each 1951 wheat cent is a miniature piece of American heritage. From the bustling streets of post-war Philadelphia to the mints of San Francisco and Denver, this penny carried more than just a cent of value. It carried the story of a nation moving forward. So next time you see a wheat penny, take a moment. You're holding history.